Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm reviewing the Vika Plus collapsible bike from Blix for $1,599. In the review, you'll see how fast it can go on all 5 speed modes, how long it takes to reach the top speed in an acceleration test, what you can expect for range on the highest pedal assist level, a brake test on speed modes 1, 3, and 5. I'll also go over comfort, stability, and overall feel of the bike. Now Blix is offering a discount to my viewers for the Vika Plus. I've got the link and code in the description if you want to check it out. The Vika Plus comes with a 500 watt motor in the rear wheel, powered by a 48 volt, 14 amp hour Samsung battery that can be removed, has overcharge protection, and takes 5 hours to recharge. Blix says that power can take a rider up to 20 miles per hour, so let's see if that's true. This is the speed test. Speed app open, speed mode 1. Let's see how fast we can get. For speed 1, I got 10 miles per hour. Speed 2, 12. Speed 3, 14. Speed 4, 16. And speed 5, 19 miles per hour, 1 mile per hour shy of the rating. 19 miles per hour is the same speed I topped out on with testing the Beluga a few months ago, so it's right there in speed with its competition. Here's a comparison of speed modes 1, 3, and 5. The Vika Plus comes with a thumb throttle on the left side of the handlebars that will vary in power and speed depending on the pedal assist level. Most bikes I've reviewed have the same power for all levels, so that was nice to see something different and is what you would expect for a more spendy bike. I did an acceleration test on pedal assist 5 versus straight throttle and was surprised how much faster the throttle was, hitting a top speed of 18 miles per hour in less than 9 seconds, while taking 12.5 seconds on pedal assist 5. That makes the Vika Plus the best for acceleration at this price range, topping out in less than a block. Now the power is also different depending on the pedal assist level, with a pretty gentle start for pedal assist level 1, gradually getting stronger as the levels increase. Here's another look at the same 3 levels. And here's another look at the difference from pedal assist 5 versus straight throttle. The Vika Plus is rated to carry up to 270 pounds. I'm 80 pounds less than that and wanted to see how long the battery would last on this trail up in the mountains north of where I live. This is the range test. I have a full battery, pedal assist level 5. I've already started my app. Let's see what we get. A section of the battery bar is missing, and I've been going uphill pretty much the entire way, and I have 3.83 miles so far. 2 of the 5 battery bars are gone now, and I am at 10.9 miles. This trail has a lot of up and down, so it's not the flattest trail, but I'm pretty impressed I made it that far in just 2 battery bars. Down to 3 of 5 battery bars, and I've gone 16.13 miles. And this is a pretty flat stretch of road, and I'm still going 18 miles an hour. I just lost the 4th battery bar, and I hit 18.14 miles. The average speed with 4 battery bars gone is about 17-18. My app's saying 17, the bike's saying about 17.9, 18.2. So probably 17.5 to 18 miles an hour, which is pretty much what I've got the entire time. It's been about 18.5 for the first 4 battery bars. The last battery bar is gone, and the line is actually blinking, and I'm averaging 16 miles an hour. So it's only dropped 1, maybe 2 miles per hour from a full battery. Okay, I'm back in my car. The bike is now dead. I got 24.36 miles with a ride time of 2.5 hours. What's interesting though is my app says 24.36 miles and the bike says 27. So there is over a 2 mile gap there. In the same app I used to track my distance, I also tracked my elevation gain. And as you can see, there was a bunch of hills based on this graph. My lowest elevation was 6,520 feet. My highest point was 7,137 for a difference of 617 feet. But the trail was very hilly, so my total elevation gain was over 2,000 feet. I thought 24.5 miles was very good for pedal assist level 5, and that range beat the competition by over 10 miles. Now if you lower the assist down and find some flat roads, Blix says you can reach up to 45 miles. Okay, this is the no power test. I am in the lowest of the 7 speeds, and going up the canyon, slopes about probably 4 or 5%. Oh yeah, that's a good hill. That's probably too steep for this without any power. So going up the canyon, not a good idea without any power. On the flats, it's not that bad. It still gives you a workout, but This is one of those bikes that you're gonna need a little bit of power. It's not gonna work very well if you don't have any assist. The Vika Plus has a hill rating of 15%. On the range test, I didn't find any hills that steep. Most were in the 5 to 10% range. But I will tell you the bike didn't struggle at all, and was even accelerating up most of the hills. I was averaging about 15 miles per hour up the steepest ones. I'd say this is one of the better bikes for hills in this class. The Vika Plus comes with front and rear Tektro Aries disc brakes. Here's the stopping distance on speed modes 1, 3, and 5. With level 5 stopping in 12 feet, making this the best for stopping power in this range so far. The frame of the Vika Plus is made from aluminum alloy and is designed for riders anywhere from 4'10 to 6'2". I'm 5'11 and felt the bike was a good size for me, and easy to manage and control. I really like the step-through design, just makes the bike easy to mount and dismount. The handlebars can be adjusted. I had them set to the highest position so I didn't have to bend over. It made the bike very comfortable for long rides. My lower back didn't get sore at all. Fully collapsed, the frame folds down to a size of 36 by 21 by 28.5 inches, small enough to fit in the back seat of a car. I thought the brown leather grips were very comfortable and some of the wider ones I've seen, and the color matches the very large seat. It's not the most comfortable seat I've been on, but big enough to adjust and move around on, and it has a handle on the back to help with carrying when fully collapsed. The large LCD display was plenty bright enough and can be easily seen in the day, and has a USB port on the side to charge your phone. Some features of the screen include battery life, current, average, and max speed, and total and trip odometer. The pad on the left side of the handlebars is how you navigate through the menu and cycle through the pedal assist levels. Moving down the bike, we come to the Shimano 7-speed system with a twist gear shifter that rotated through the gears quick and easy. And last but not least are the 20 by 2 inch puncture resistant tires with Kevlar technology and reflective tape on both sides, so you don't have to worry about flat tires and can be seen at night a little easier. The Vika Plus also comes with a bell, has a walk assist feature, front and rear lights for some night riding, and will auto shut off in 10 minutes if left unattended. It can be ridden in light rain, has a full comprehensive warranty, and free shipping in the lower 48. Overall, the Vika Plus is right on the mark for speed with its competitors at 19 miles per hour. It reaches that speed in less than a city block, making it the fastest in this price range so far. It can go 25 miles in very hilly terrain with a 190-pound rider, making it the best for range in this category. Hill climbing ability and brakes are very good, no complaints there. You can just tell this is a high quality bike. It feels very well put together and stable. I'd have no problem recommending this to you guys. I think it's a great value for the price, mostly because of the range. That's what impressed me the most. So there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed the review and found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for the latest in electric bike, board, and scooter reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.